Hello, namaste, good evening friends. Let's talk about Nifty chart analysis video. Uh, Today, Nifty went up and closed at 116 points higher at 19,727. That is the closing price. Nifty opened up almost flat at 19,598. On the previous day's trade yesterday, we made a high of 19,605. So Nifty tried to take it as a resistance in the early trade in the morning, and then it went down all the way to 19,550. That is what the low you see here is. 19,550 is the low for Nifty today. So in the early first 15 minutes or 30 minutes of trade, Nifty went down and tested the 19,550. Okay, let's just talk about that for a minute in a 15-minute chart. I put in a 15-minute chart here and see. Let me zoom in here. So Nifty into yesterday's trade was trading almost flat and consolidative until 2:45 p.m. You see a big large 3 p.m. candle here. So Nifty actually did a breakout of this consolidative range at 3 p.m. here. So the breakout range price was the high was 19,550. And that is exactly what Nifty did today early morning. And Nifty opened up flat, went up, created a high of 608, and then came down suddenly and tested the lows, the breakout range of 19,550. So this 19,550 that Nifty created a low in the morning it came down and tested the breakout range that did make a breakout yesterday. So it was a very, very nice confirmation in the morning. As soon as Nifty tested and then started going up, it crossed the 1960-64 level. I gave a buy call, and I myself also bought one call of Nifty in expiry trade, and it did a very nice one-way movement all the way to the highs of 19,638. So it was a very nice confirmation that Nifty went down in the morning, 19,550, tested the 19,550 breakout range, and then started going up. And then it again consolidated. So if you check my yesterday's video, I mentioned that Nifty will have some resistance at 650 level. So what it did was from 11 a.m. till around 1:30 for 2.5 hours, it consolidated at the same range, and then breakout and gave a breakout of 650, and then went all the way to the highs of 735. I think it created a high of 736.90 and then again started consolidating at the same range here. So for tomorrow's trade, let's go back to the daily chart first. Nifty, either it will go, as I said, the bias is positive now. I mentioned about in my last few videos as well, Nifty was creating this nice W pattern here. And it gave a breakout of W pattern in yesterday's trade, confirmed it, and then today we had to go up. So now I think we have broken out of several ranges, several resistance areas. Now Nifty is looking very positive. The first resistance I see is at 19,788 to 19,805 range. Above 19,811, the next next resistance will be 19,866, and then all the way we can go up and test this big large resistance trend line that I have here. This is Nifty has been following this religiously in the previous trades as well. So I think we can go back and test the highs, the life highs as well. But for now, for tomorrow's trade, if I go back to the 15-minute chart, so as I mentioned earlier, Nifty has broken out of this range. Now for tomorrow's trade, if Nifty opens flat, in case it opens flat and start trading between the same range of 740-45 till 711, the best trade would be if it opens up flat and consolidate between this range for 30 minutes of 15-20 minutes or 30 minutes, and then break the highs of today. That will be 736-37 levels. You can see the rally up till the first level would be 788, the second would be 822, and then 850 levels as well. If Nifty opens gap up tomorrow, around 788. Let's see how Nifty reacts there. Does it consolidate? Does it keeps going up? So we'll trade as per the price action. On the downside, I do not see any reason why Nifty should go down when we have broken out of a range very nicely, and we have consolidated here 4 days. So if I just zoom out a bit from, I think, this date, 4th September, right? 4th, 5th, 6th, so 7th, we have actually consolidated 3 days in this range. So I do not see any reason why. And Nifty in the morning trade as well, Nifty went down till 550 and tested. So I don't see any reason why Nifty should now go down. But if in case some global market, any other reasons why Nifty starts to go negative, the first support area is this level only, where we broke out in the morning trade. That will be 19,650. It will prove as a very strong support, and once Nifty starts consolidating in this range and then breaks out back to the higher side, then we can initiate a buy side trade there, right? On a sell side, I would not recommend doing it. It's a buy on dips market. But if you want to buy a put or short Nifty, do it with a very small quantity and a very small range or targets. All right, friends, thank you so much for your time. Do hit like and subscribe to my channel, and please put in a comment if you can for a feedback. Thank you.